Warm welcome to all. I'm Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. So this is a video about textile science and understanding of textile fibers. That is the comprehensive guide to the material that shapes for textile world. So what is the main concept of textile fibers? Why we are producing it? What is the main area we are concentrating on? So what makes a textile fibers? So if we are using a textile fibers, we have to select the purpose of selecting those fibers. First one is flexibility, ability to bend without breaking, essential for fabric drape and handling. So if we are selecting a particular fabric which is should be suitable for us, and it should have a flexibility, and it should have some essential fabric drape in sense the fabric has to be free fall based on the weight of the fabric, and it should be easy to handling. It is the main concept for flexibility. Second one is fineness, thin diameter allowing fibers to be spun into yarns and woven into fabrics. So if the fibers has to be finely tuned to make as a yarn, so then it has been converted into fabric. After the yarn stage it was converted into fabric. So based on the fineness of the yarn, we have to select or make the fabric for further usages. Third one is length to width ratio. High aspect ratio provides the structural foundation for the textile manufacturing. If we use length or width of the main concept of the fiber, we have to select the structural foundation, because if it is having a lengthy one but it not be a strong one, means we can't use for a further many process. If it is too short, we cannot be used for many process because it is hard to make it as a yarn. So we have to select the length and width ratio based on the end use and based on the fineness of the yarn, fineness of the fibers. So additional requirement includes temperature stability, sufficient strength and moderate extensibility for practical textile applications. So natural fibers derived directly from the nature without chemical modifications includes the fibers from the plants, animals and minerals that have involved in their structure over millions of years. Man-made fibers are created through human innovations, entered by the chemically processing natural polymers or synthesized, ensuring new materials from the basic of chemical units. So natural fibers, plant kingdom. Cotton, the world most consumed fiber. Flax, that is linen fiber, the bast fibers with exceptional strength due to the small spiral angle and high oriented structure. Multicellular with low extensibility, perfect for durable textiles. Hemp and jute, robust bast fibers from the plant stems. Hemp is a coarser and darker than flax, while both offer a sustainability alternative for the industrial applications. So mainly those are concentrating on the view and the texture of the fibers. It has been used for selected for the end use of the fibers. Wool structure, that is the animal fibers, complex protein fiber with keratin molecules, features ortho and paracortex regions that contracts differently, creating natural crimp, distinctive epidermal scales visible under microscopes. Silk properties, the only natural continuous filament fibers, triangular prism-like structure, creates the characters shimmer produced from the caterpillar secretions as well liquid proteins. Man-made fibers regenerated. Natural source, polymer source, starts with the cellulose or protein form, natural materials. Chemical processing dissolves the natural polymer using the chemical solvents. Reformation, regenerate into fibers from through the spinneret extrusions. Examples including viscose rayon, humanity that first attempt to mimic silk, acetate and modern lyocell fibers like tencel. Synthetic fibers powerhouse. First one is polyester. most produced textile fiber globally, versatile for the countless applications. Second one is spandex stretch, elastomeric fibers with extraordinary extensions and 99% recovery. That is the 500%. Carbon content, the carbon fibers achieves ultra high strength through the controlled pyrolysis. Synthetic fibers revalorized textiles through engineered properties impossible in nature, from aramide aroma to medical applications. So the next one is fiber formations and classifications. Staple fibers, filament fibers and technical fibers. The staple fibers are short length fibers, filament fibers are lengthy fibers, and technical fibers in name high performance materials for specialized applications. The future of the fiber technology is, first one we mainly concentrate on biodegradable solutions, second one is medical application, third one is performance enhancement. Thank you.